In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jar on Wise. Think of a jar as a simple place inside your Wise account to set money aside for a goal, keep funds separate from your main balance, and stay organized across different currencies. I'll walk you through the process on the mobile app and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything is clear and smooth. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you usually see your balances and activity. From here, swipe right to reveal the Quick Actions panel and look for the plus icon. Tap the plus icon to begin creating something new in your account. Next, choose the option labeled Open a Jar. Wise may show you a short explanation screen about how jars work. Go ahead and tap Open a Jar again to proceed. This confirms that you want to set one up right now. You'll now be asked to choose a currency for your jar. Pick the currency that fits your goal. If you're saving for travel, for example, choose the currency you expect to spend. If your savings are for general use, you might prefer the currency you use day to day. Selecting the right currency at the start keeps your totals clear and helps you avoid unnecessary conversions later. After that, select an icon. This is a small visual cue that helps you spot your jar quickly. Choose something that represents your goal: a suitcase for travel, a star for a special purchase, or anything that stands out to you. The icon doesn't affect how the jar works, but it makes organization a lot easier. Now enter a name for your jar. Pick a short, descriptive name that you'll recognize at a glance, like emergency fund or summer trip. Keep it simple and avoid including any personal or sensitive information in the title. When everything looks right, the currency, the icon, and the name, tap Confirm. The app will create your jar and bring you back to your accounts view. You should now see your new jar listed with the name and icon you chose, ready to help you keep your savings separate and on track. If you don't see the plus icon or the Open a Jar option right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And try swiping on the home screen again to reveal the menu. That's all there is to it. You've just created a jar on Wise, making it easier to organize your money with clarity and purpose.